faster. Now, biggest part is, guys, how to declare a block. Okay, how to declare a block. So, guys, very simple it is. Okay, how to declare a block in a Java. Okay, very simple. Observe, observe here. So, if I want how to declare block, then guys, observe, this is a Java class. What we are designing. Observe this. This is a Java class. Let's say class test. Now, guys, in this test class, anywhere, okay, what I'm saying is in this test class, anywhere you open curly brace and you close curly brace. Simply, that's it. Nothing else. No public, no void, no M1, no name, nothing. No parenthesis, nothing. Okay. Anywhere in a Java class, just you open curly brace and close curly brace. It considered as blocks. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Okay. So guys, ultimately, anywhere in a Java program, okay, anywhere in a Java program, in a Java class, just open curly brace and close curly brace, it is considered as block. Now, guys, as I told you, guys, entire Java is divided into two sections. I told you this before, guys. Can you tell me what is those two sections? Partition of Java. Correct. Static, non-static. Okay. The entire section of Java, partition of Java is in static member, non-static member. Same concept applicable here, guys. Guys, this is a block, no doubt. No doubt, this is a block. So, guys, if this block is declared with a static keyword, it is considered as static block. Is everyone clear on this? It is considered as what? Static block. Now, let's say I have a class test of the real. So here I am here I am giving a block like this, guys. Just open curly brace, close curly brace. So guys, can I say here block without static keyword? Here with the static keyword means it is static block. Here without static keyword means it is non-static block. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So guys, ultimately, can I say, guys, there are two types of blocks? Yes or no? There are two types of blocks, static block, non-static block. Okay. So guys, write down up to this. Take a heading blocks and write down this. Ah, guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. So, guys, now observe, pay attention here. Guys, in this now, first we will go for static block and then we will go for non-static block. Is everyone clear with the approach? Okay. So first we have to see, guys, what is static block, then what is non-static block. But before going that, at least just like, guys, in case of methods, we are aware methods are having some kind of collection of executable statements. Okay. Collection of business logic is nothing but methods. Okay. Similarly, what piece of code we can declare inside a block? Okay. So guys, pay attention now neatly. Okay. So guys, block. First of all, inside a block, we can declare, guys, we can declare variable, because you remember, guys, local variable definition. Declare a variable inside a method block constructor. That means we can declare a variable inside a block. But guys, if you declare variable inside a block, it become local variable for that block. This is point number one. Okay. Pay attention, guys. Next concept is, obviously in a block we will write initialization and reinitialization code. Okay. Either initialize the variable or reinitialize the variable. This piece of code we will give inside blocks. But guys, other than that, we can declare business logics also. Just like any arithmetic operation, any ternary operation, any operation, whatever the business logic is there, that business logic you can happily keep inside a static block. But one point need to be discussed, guys. Tell me, to make a business logic, already one special member is available, na? That is method. Yes or no? To keep a business logic, to keep our own business logic, already there is one kind of member, guys, already available. Then that means, can I say, guys, until and unless you are not having specific requirement, are you understanding my point, guys? Until and unless you are not having any specific requirement, then it is not a inside code in blocks. Okay. Okay. But we can give it no compile time error, no runtime error. But logically, if you think, to keep a business logic, methods are already there. That's the reason it is not a recommended approach. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So write down these 2 points. Ah, so guys, now say inside of blocks we can declare variable that become local. And another point is inside a block we can declare business logic statements also. But if we declare business logic statements, obviously, obviously that is a misuse of block. It is not recommended. Now, except this guys, one is a very good speciality of a block. Guys, you want to know what is that speciality? Now, don't write anything, just pay attention. Okay. One very why it is a special member because of its speciality only. Okay, speciality of blocks. So guys, speciality of block I can show you practically here. Observe this. Let's say these are my two classes. Observe, guys, everyone. So okay. Now guys, in these two classes, let's say I want to execute this static block. Okay. Just like guys, you want to access a variable, you will call that variable either directly or by class name. If there is a static method, directly or by class name. If there is a non-static member, by creating object and then call it. Tell me guys, how will you call static block? Tell me. Like this, PSVM. Tell me, how will you call static block? By class name. Means you try to say like this guys. Test dot static like this. Static is a keyword, guys. Static is a keyword. How to call static block? Static is a keyword. Guys, exactly tell me where you guys are stuck in. Okay, at least guys, just listen to this carefully. Yeah. At least this fellow having static there. So at least static block. What about this fellow, guys? Highly poor member in Java. Just open curly brace, close curly brace. No static, no void, no M1, nothing, nothing, nothing. So guys, are you understanding guys? Tell me exactly where you guys stuck. Where you guys stuck? Guys, you are not able to call static block, but tell me where you guys stuck. What is the exact problem what you are facing guys? If you have x variable, you can write test.x. If you have m1 method test.m1, here where exactly you guys stuck? Tell me. Correct guys, name is not there. Yes or no? There is no name for this block. There is no name for this block. Yes or no? Are you understanding? Static block or non-static block, let it be any block. Block don't have any name. That means, can I say, guys, block don't have any identifier? Every name is identifier, guys. Okay. So, guys, first speciality of a block, first speciality of a block is block don't have any identifier. Is everyone clear on this? Now, try to understand my next point, guys. Observe here. Observe here, guys. Let's say, guys, I have a class like this. Observe, everyone. Class test, class test. In this test class, let's say static variable, let's say non-static variable, let's say static method. Okay, let's say non-static method. Can I say, guys, like this, our Java code is behaving right now? Yes or no? Okay. Static variable, non-static variable, static method, non-static method. Now, guys, we are aware static member load only once. Okay. Inside a JVM memory, static member load only once. So let's say this is our JVM. Observe this. Let's assume this is our JVM. Okay. Now, guys, in this JVM, can I say there will be some memory consumed by this X? Yes or no? Okay, one memory cell will be there. Okay, value will be 10. Okay, X will be pointed to that memory. Is everyone clear on this? X will be pointed to that memory. Obviously, there is some memory consumed by M1 method. Yes or no? Let's say, let's say this is the memory consumed by M1. Okay. So who is pointed to this memory? M1 is pointing. Is everyone understanding? Okay. Now, let's say non-static member. These all are static member. Okay. These all are static member. Similarly, non-static member also load. Now, non-static member, guys, loads inside object. Yes or no? Yes or no? So let's say there will be one object. Assume, guys, assume there will be one object. T is pointed to that object. Okay. Then, then 20 will be loaded. Okay. Guys, is everyone understanding my part? T will be pointed to that object. This is a variable. And Y will be pointed here. Y will be pointed here. So T pointed to this. Y pointed to this. Okay. Now, guys, obviously there will be some kind of memory consumed by M2. So let's say this is a memory consumed by M2. Guys, is everyone understanding what I'm trying to say? Okay. So guys, what is a common factor? Okay, these are non-static member. Load inside object. Static member load only. Now guys, my concern is what is the common factor? Whether it is variable, whether it is method, whether it is object. Can I say guys every memory have a reference? Every memory have a name? Every memory have a identifier? If let's say someone try to reach to this 10 memory cell, they will use X. Someone try to reach M1, they will use M1. Someone try to reach 20, they will use Y. So that means every memory have a identifier. Now think about static block, non-static block. This fellow don't have any identifier. So guys, assume, just assume guys, assume static block loads in a memory. Non-static block loads in a memory. Then tell me guys, will it be any reference to that memory? Will it be any identifier to that memory? No, correct? And if they are going in a memory, can I say that memory is become junk memory, guys? Total wastage of memory because no one can access it. No one having any name. So that's the reason, guys. That's the reason blocks are never loads in JVM memory. This is a second speciality of block. Is everyone understood this? Is everyone understood this? Blocks blocks never loads in JVM memory. Okay, why they never load in JVM memory, guys? Why they never load in JVM memory? Okay, because they don't have any identifier. They don't have any identifier. Never loads in JVM memory as they don't have any identifier. Guys, is everyone clear on this? Okay. Now, guys, biggest question asked by Atithi. Okay. He asked a very genuine question, and I hope everyone having that question in their mind. Guys, that question is how to call static block non-static block then? Yes or no? No identifier, never goes in JVM memory. Okay. So guys, how it will execute that, how to call that I will tell you in future. But right now, understand one point, guys. Even though they don't have any identifier, they never loads in JVM memory. Whereas, whereas they execute directly in a program. They execute directly in a program. Is everyone clear on this? It never loads in JVM memory, whereas it executes directly without loading. Without loading into the JVM memory, it executes directly. Is everyone clear? Pakka? Okay. Okay. So guys, write down this speciality of a block. First copy this and then copy that paint screen. Guys, done with the copy? Can I show paint screen? Write down this. Ah, everyone done with the copy? Okay, okay. So, guys, guys, now listen this carefully. So, now guys, we done with so all the speciality of a block, what is the purpose of block and all that thing. So, guys, now shall we start with a static block now? What is static block? Okay, how to execute? Okay, and what are the some different special cases? Okay, first static block and then non-static block. So take heading guys everyone. Static block. Take this heading everyone. Now, guys, listen to this carefully. What is static block? Okay, very simple guys. Can I say the block which declare with a static keyword is considered a static block? Simplest point guys, not a big deal. Okay. The block which declare with a static keyword consider as static block. So write down this everyone. Ah, done with the copy? Okay. So now guys let's see one example because we have to understand now how to call the blocks. Yes or no guys? We have to understand how to call the blocks. Okay. So let me create a new class guys. Okay. Let me create new class demo blocks. Okay. So let's say demo blocks. Now guys, in this class, here I will create static block. Okay. So let's say guys, here I will print one message system.out.println static block running. Okay. Let's say this is the message which I want to print. Static block running. Now guys, let me declare main method public static void main string array r. Okay. Here, let's say I will write system.out.println. Okay. MMS main method start. And after that, main method end. MME. So let me save this. I'll save this in a demo block dot java. Save as all files. Click on save. This is my class name. So let me start comparison, guys. Observe here. Now Java say demo blocks dot Java. Hey guys, no problem in compilation means static block declared successfully. Now guys, let's come back to the major part. Tell me guys, we cannot call static block, yes or no? We cannot call static block because that fellow don't have any identifier. Now, if you think here guys, if you think here, tell me, is I make any provision, any extra provision to invoke static block? Is I make any extra provision to invoke static block? No. Okay. So guys, tell me what should be our output? Main method start, main method end. Yes or no? Main method start, main method end. But see the twist in a story. Guys, let me execute Java demo blocks. Okay, let me execute, guys. Are you getting the twist in a story? Can I say, guys, before main method only block is execute? Now, question is how? Question is how? So, guys, now listen to me carefully. This is the output of my program. So, guys, now pay attention neatly. Block is a special member. They don't have any identifier. So guys, programmer cannot call a block explicitly. Then guys, who is invoking the static block? Right now I am talking about static block, guys. So static block cannot call by programmer explicitly. So who is invoking static block? JVM. Is everyone getting my point? Okay. So what is the real flow is? Pay attention here guys neatly. Up to now from starting we write many Java programs. But in not a single Java program is there which contains static block. That's the reason you guys didn't observe this. Technically guys, what is the flow is? Okay. See, observe here. As per the flow, JVM, okay, let's assume, wait, okay, let's assume, guys, this is our JVM, okay, in a very happy mood. So, this is our JVM. As soon as JVM enters in a class, identify main method. Observe this neatly, they identify main method. But guys, if JVM will not enter inside main method. Once JVM came to know main method is there, that means I can execute this Java class. Then guys, firstly JVM will go and search for static block. So, is there any static block? Yes, execute this. Then after that, is there any static block in a class? No static block. Then once static block execution is finished, then enter in a main method and execute remaining piece of code. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Now, Ravi, you are asking why only static? Because I declare static block only, na? We are discussing static block only, na, Ravi? When we will see non-static block, at that time we will see that matter. Okay. So guys, now let me remove this drawing. So pay attention guys neatly. Static block is always invoked by JVM. This is our conclusion number one. Static block always invoked by JVM. Okay. Second point is static block always executes before execution of main method. Is everyone clear on this? First point, it will always executes before execution of main method. And second thing, programmer no need to invoke static block, no need to call static block explicitly because JVM itself will call static block as soon as it will find main method in a Java class. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So guys, this is whole and soul concept of static block. So tell me guys, which is the first member executes in a Java class? Now what will be the answer? Exactly. Rosafin, don't say block. It's a static block. Answer should be perfect. Okay. Which is the first member executes in a Java class? Always static block. Okay. Yes, Atiti. In every program, as soon as JVM find main method, after main method identification, JVM goes for static block execution. Okay. Is everyone clear on this? So write down this conclusion, then copy the program. Yes, Aditi, of course. Of course. If okay, before this program we write Atiti, more than 50 program we guys Atiti, write Atiti. More than 50 programs we execute. Nah. In those programs, we didn't declare static block. So if static block is not there, JVM follow that flow. Guys, listen. Deepak, again I am explaining. Pay attention, everyone. As soon as JVM find main method, okay, main method found na, okay, boss, it is there. Okay, observe this. First JVM come, main method is there na, okay. After main method, check, is there any static block? If static block present, executes it. If static block not present, okay, no problem, start execution of main method. Now it is clear, everyone. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now write down this. Hey, Yogendra, man, it doesn't matter on what position you declare, man. It doesn't matter. You declare main method first, then a static block. Anywhere. Flow is a flow. First main method identified. After that, search for static block. Okay. Hmm. Done with the copy? It is not unpredictable, Atiti. It is just a starting. Okay. Don't worry. That's the reason I told you, na guys. Don't come to the conclusion very early. Okay. What happen if tomorrow that conclusion may can become invalid? Up to now, you are thinking main method is the first member executes. No. Static block is the first member which executes. Okay. Huh. Guys, done with the copy? Okay. Write down the program. Huh. Guys, done with the copy? Guys, done with the copy? Okay. Now, guys, observe this case. Observe this case. Let me remove this. Okay. Now, let's say this is one static block. I'll declare one more static block. I'll declare one more static block. So tell me, guys, total how many static blocks are here? Let's say running 1, running 2, running 3. Okay. 3 static blocks are there. Now, guys, what will be the output now if I run the program? What will be the output, guys? Total output, tell me. Only static block running 1, 2, 3. After that, MMS, MME. Okay. So guys, save it. Compile. No problem. Executes. No problem. Any problem, guys? So can I say, guys, now this case having their own conclusions. First conclusion is, can I say we can declare n number of static block? No restrictions. Okay. Second conclusion is, all the static block executes sequentially. Yes or no? They will never execute randomly. They will execute sequentially. Guys, any confusion in these 2 points? Okay. Okay. So write down these points, guys. We can declare n number of static block in a class body. All the static block present in a class are executed before the start of main method in a sequential order. Once done with the copy, let me know. Manoj, now don't involve non-static block in a discussion. Huh? Non-static, we will see it later. Okay. Okay. Guys, can I show the program? Okay. So guys, write down the program. Ah, done with the copy, everyone? Okay. Now, guys, I want to do one very important discussion with you people regarding this. Okay. Tell me, guys, can we execute static block before main method? Okay. So now, guys, observe this. Okay. I'm writing few points, guys. Which point is valid? You have to tell me. Okay. Which point is valid? You have to tell me. Let's say it is IMP note. IMP note. Now, first thing is static block executes before main method. Point number one. And point number two is static block executes without main method. Tell me which point is valid? Before main method, without main method. Correct. So guys, obviously, first point is valid because I showed you this. Correct now. First point is valid, guys. Okay, valid. Second point is okay. Now discussion is on second point. Without a main method. Now, guys, what I am saying, listen to this carefully. It is valid till JDK for you. This is the change, guys. This is valid till JDK for you. Okay. After JDK5, after JDK5 means from JDK6. From JDK6, it is invalid. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? See, let me tell you one point, guys. Okay. What Java people make was before main method, static block need to execute. Okay. This is a flow those people make. But in that flow, they make a biggest mistake, guys. Okay. One big loophole is present there, biggest mistake. That mistake is even though main method is not there, observe this, if I remove main method, just for a concern, guys, observe. As I am removing main method, as I am removing main method, you know, guys, if you run the program in a JDK5, what will happen, you know? Okay. As per JDK5, as per JDK5, output is there. Obviously, no problem in compilation. You know, without main method, we can compile, but we can't execute. Guys, listen. As per JDK5, we will get output SBR1. Can you understand short form, guys? Static block running 1, static block running 2, static block running 3, and after that, you will get no such method error. Is everyone clear? You will get no such method error as main method. This is the output till JDK5. But as per JDK8, now this a mistake, guys. Java people realize. Those fellow came to know, hey boss, we commit a biggest silly mistake. Without the main method, it is executing, and then it is giving boss main method not present in the class. So guys, that's the reason as per JDK8 means from JDK6 we will not get this output. Our output is changed and we will directly get main method in a detail we will get. Main method not found in class demo blocks. Is everyone clear? And after that, compiler is saying, please define main method as public static void main string array args. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So guys, tell me, can we execute static block without main method? Confidently, you have to say it is invalid as per JDK 8. Till JDK 5, it is valid. Till JDK 5, it is valid. But after JDK 5, means from JDK 6, 7, 8, it is totally invalid. We cannot run a program without main method. Is everyone clear on this? So first write down this IMP note. Guys, write down this. Guys, done with the copy? Okay. So, guys, tell me any confusion up to this in a block? Any confusion up to this in a blocks? Okay. So, guys, remaining concepts on blocks we will discuss in our next session. Our next session will happen on Monday, guys. Monday, 1:30. Clear, everyone? Okay. Fine, guys.
Bye, sir. Take care.
Fine, guys. See you. Take care.